Hey guys, subscribe our channel BFF's Kitchen and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all our notifications. The ingredients that we need for this preparation are 1 cup of soaked rice, 50 grams of sweet corn, 6 to 7 cherry tomatoes, 50 grams of butter, red chili flakes 2 teaspoons and salt to taste. First put the butter into a heated pan and stir it till it's get melt. When it's got melt, add the sweet corn and let it fry. Stir them well. Now add the red chili flakes and the salt. Mix them well. Now add the soaked rice. Here I am using Basmati rice, but you can use any kind of long grain rice as per your choice. Mix them and stir them for 1 minute. Now add 2 cups of warm water. Now cover the pan with a lid and let it cook for 15 minutes. Now add cherry tomatoes and some butter into this cooked rice. Now it is ready to serve. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, link in the description.